Well, right now I have in studio with me a very artistic person. You know, I always have people who have been making a difference in the art world, in the artistic world, I must say, okay? I have none other than Rondie Pottinger. He's a filmmaker, photographer, artistic all the way around. He's a professional graphic designer. So let's welcome Rondie to the Ina Dillon Show. Hey, Rondie, what's up?
Thank you for having me.
Yes, yes, yes. It's a pleasure to have you in the studio. Tell me a little bit about yourself, what you've been doing, you know, all over. I know you have been doing things internationally as it relates to your art. So give me a little lowdown on what has been happening.
I'm a photographer, filmmaker, slash humanitarian.
Yes, yes.
Basically. I've lived in the States for about 20 years in Brooklyn. First Crown Heights, then Canarsie. And I've worked in Media 100 firms, the Merrill Lynch, the First Boston, the Bank of Americas, for the past 15, 20 years.
All the money places, eh?
Financial institutions, doing graphic design. So with my talent, I turned back to Jamaica and I went back home to do some photography and some films to document and to preserve the culture in Jamaica. And this is where we are right now with the SaveJamaica.com movement.
So you hear that, people? Go on SaveJamaica.com. It's beautiful on there. Listen, I went on there the other night, right? And when you hear all the people from all over the world talking about Rondie Pottinger, you can't believe what his art does to them. So you go on SaveJamaica.com and you will see what the artwork can do for you too. All right?
Yes. Yes. So basically, I wanted to create a medication for the people abroad and all over the world. The medication that we left. You know, the reggae music is out there, but the image is not really entrenched in our global atmosphere. So with my God-given talent, I went back home and I captured the images that I know for a fact. This is the part that goes to save Jamaica.
Wow, look at that pot. Straight out of Jamaica. That's how we used to cook. And the food tastes really good, you know. Look at it.
So basically,
remember that word that I gave you the other day about bickle? It means cooked food. That pot cooking a whole bunch of cooked food.
This is the foundation of who we are as a people.
Yes, yes.
And this is the part that going to save Jamaica, basically. In a lot of ways, this image represents more than just an image.
Yes. Look at the fire underneath that pot. So what could be in that pot? Like, I mean, what kind of food inside that pot now? Tell me something.
Let me say, you know,
soup? We're cooking soup or what?
Soup, rice, rice and peas. You know, definitely some caldo soup with some.
Yes.
The photography helps me to expose the culture and harness that energy. So this is the medication.
All right. This is beautiful. So let's leave that pot there. Show us something else that you brought with you.
Okay, let's see here.
Yes.
No, take a look at this here.
Oh, yeah. What kind of fruit? Remind me.
No, this is a sweet sop here.
Hey, you guys seen that sweet sop?
Take a look at this close up.
Comes right out of Jamaica.
Look at that, look at that.
Those are delicious when they're like cold and nice. You wash it and they're cold and you open it and it's just sweet and delicious. Look at it.
So this is the language I wanted to bring back.
Wow.
So you.
Oh my gosh. And roast breadfruit go with what? Saltfish, ackee and saltfish, pork,
here's the roast breadfruit,
fried pork, and all kinds of things.
So I spent the past 15 years going deeper into Jamaica. Other photography, you would see them with
look at the banana.
Images as far as beaches and stuff. I wanted to capture the countryside, you know, and I wanted to capture the what makes Jamaica so rich in culture.
Yes. So basically that's
some of these
some
images.
Of the
so you could find a lot of these on the SaveJamaica.com website.
Oh my gosh, look at that breadfruit.
Zoom in on that breadfruit there.
Hey, that breadfruit, for those who want to know, this is a fruit. It can be, you can cook it and just eat it with whatever meat you want to eat it with, whether it's curry goat, whether it's fried pork, whether it's salt fish and ackee. Or you could roast it, you could make soup with it, you could do all kinds of things with that breadfruit.
And we have some avocado, some
pear.
Oh
my gosh, everybody knows about the avocado. To make avocado sandwich with lettuce and tomato and everything. Those avocados are sweet and it's good for you too. So You love those pictures? Go on SaveJamaica.com and check out those pictures. Beautiful. Take you back to your roots.
A lot of these images are taken in Manchester.
Okay.
Way up on top of the hills.
Okay.
So here's Papa D.
Okay.
Now, I grew up in nowhere in Manchester, and one of the reasons why I went on the Save Jamaica movement, because I knew that these images existed, and we would lose this kind of imagery.
Yes, yes.
So I went back passionately to make sure we capture this stuff.
It's beautiful.
And let me see if I find for you the girl. We have the Aki.
Yes, yes. And for those of you out there wondering what's Aki, Aki and saltfish is our national dish, the Jamaican national dish. And that you can eat with anything. You can eat it with bread, you can eat it with breadfruit, you can eat it with anything, okay? All right.
Now, this right here is right in front of my grandmother's
house.
Shop.
Wow, wow.
I was sitting there waiting. These are the girls with the wood.
Yes, yes, beautiful.
And there's another famous image that people like to look at. If you could zoom in on that a bit. Now, this image here, I was sitting right in front of my grandmother's shop, and they were passing, and they said to me, "No, take no picture of it, no, take no picture."
Because I know you're going to take it worldwide.
Yes, you know, so basically, you have to take the picture. You know, this is Jamaica. And
all right.
These are a few of the images, and there's a lot more online you can check out.
So, if someone wants to get in touch with you, where can they find you?
They could go to SaveJamaica.com or RondiePottinger.com.
Okay.
Or call me at 718-577-1290.
Okay. Remember, SaveJamaica.com. Beautiful images. The other night I went on it, and it was fabulous. I had such a wonderful time just checking out all the images. Let's come up on Mr. Pottinger to talk about Rondie. Let me call you Rondie. Okay. It's easier to talk a little more about what he has been doing to make sure the younger generation learns more about filmmaking and photography. So, Rondie, tell me what you've been doing.
Well, after the first step was to take the pictures, sell the pictures, buy cameras, go back to Jamaica, and give it to the younger ones to continue to record the history. Young soldiers. I want to create a little army, you know.
An artistic army.
Yes,
it's good.
Archivers, I call them. And even though, as Jamaicans, I'm going to tell the truth, our family, we don't really focus on art.
Yes.
As an artist, I realized that we have to bring pretty much the burden ourselves financially. So through the sale of my work, I equipped the future photographers or filmmakers in the Caribbean, because, you know, Trinidad, my eyes are on Trinidad.
Yes.
You know, and Haiti and other places.
Yes, definitely.
So it's not just a Jamaica thing.
It's the Caribbean.
I wanted to really go through Jamaica the past 10 years and capture and show even the rest of the Caribbean, you guys better get up to speed quick and start really muscling the culture and exposing it online. Because I don't think we take films and photography as seriously as we should.
Yes, I agree with you.
So basically, my little soldiers are out there. Yes. They're still waiting for me to come home and give them more direction. So I constantly ask for the fellow Jamaicans and other Caribbean support to keep us moving along in preserving the culture.
This is what you leave and you come, you assimilate and you want to do, but you have to remember your roots. Go to SaveJamaica.com, and if you want to find out. And when I say go to SaveJamaica.com, you know, I mean everyone go to SaveJamaica.com and look at those beautiful pictures. And if you want information, just call Rondie Pottinger at
718-577-1290.
And also, you can go to RondiePottinger.net.
RondiePottinger.com.
Okay? I want to thank you for coming to the Anna Dillon Show.
Thank you very much.
Anytime.
Thank you very much.
And for the people out there who want to find out more about Rondie Pottinger, go to SaveJamaica.com. He's trying to spread the vibe in terms of a positive vibe. This is a positive vibe, artistically, whether it's photography, whether it's filmmaking. For the Anna Dillon Show, 917-349-8948. All right? So, for Rondie Pottinger, it's 718-577-1290. Thank you all for watching.
Look how many souls we have lost. These songs are inspirational thoughts. God placed these thoughts, so why can you be the one to abide? I forgot foolish pride. I have faith in my boys and girls.